Good afternoon, all of you. In the previous lecture, I had discussed about the preparation of enamine. Now, today I am going to deliver lecture on radioselectivity of enamine. First of all, I am going to explain radioselectivity. What is mean by radioselectivity? So, generally, radio means direction or region, and selectivity means selection. Okay, suppose एक रिएक्शन है, ठीक है, जिसमें ए जो है सबस्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल है और बी जो है अटैकिंग स्पेसिस है और इनकमिंग स्पेसिस है। तो जो बी जो है ना, ए सबस्ट्रेट मॉलिक्यूल पे राइट साइड से भी अटैक कर सकता है और लेफ़्ट साइड से भी अटैक कर सकता है, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर दो पॉसिबिलिटी है अटैकिंग की, ठीक है, दो अटैकिंग साइट है, एक लेफ़्ट साइड से भी अटैक कर सकता और दूसरा राइट साइड से भी अटैक करता, ठीक है। तो यहाँ पर दो प्रोडक्ट मिलेंगे। अगर उसने बी स्पेसिस ने राइट साइड से अटैक करा तो राइट साइड से प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा, अगर लेफ़्ट साइड से अटैक करेगा तो लेफ़्ट साइड से प्रोडक्ट मिलेगा। तो यहाँ पर दो टाइप्स के प्रोडक्ट हमको मिलेंगे, ठीक है, एक राइट साइड से और दूसरा लेफ़्ट साइड से, ठीक है। ये दोनों प्रोडक्ट क्या रहेंगे, एक दूसरे के आइसोमर रहेंगे और एक प्रोडक्ट मेजर क्वांटिटी में फॉर्म होगा और दूसरा प्रोडक्ट माइनर क्वांटिटी में फॉर्म होगा। तो रेडियोसेलेक्टिव मीन्स द रिएक्शन in which two or more than two product will be formed and the product are formed structural or constitutional isomers of each other and one product is predominant. Such reaction are called as radioselective reaction. The reaction in which two or more than two product will be formed and the formed product is the formed product is constitutional isomers of each other and one product is predominant. Such reaction are called as radioselective reaction and the overall phenomenon is known as radioselectivity, ठीक है। रेडियोसेलेक्टिविटी में क्या रहेगा, इनकमिंग स्पेसिस के पास पॉसिबिलिटी रहेंगी दो साइड से अटैक करने के लिए, ठीक है, दो डायरेक्शन रहेंगे, एक लेफ्ट साइड से और एक राइट साइड से। अब वो कौन सी डायरेक्शन को चूज़ करता वो उस पर डिपेंड है, ठीक है। अगर सपोज उसने राइट साइड से अटैक करा तो वो राइट साइड से सिलेक्टिव स्पेसिस बन जाएगा, अगर लेफ्ट साइड से अटैक किया तो लेफ्ट साइड से सिलेक्टिव स्पेसिस बन जाएगा, ठीक है। इसी को बोलेंगे रेडियोसेलेक्टिविटी। ओके, आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड, ठीक है। हम जो है रेडियोसेलेक्टिविटी ऑफ एनामाइन देखेंगे। We know that the enamine will be formed by the reaction of alpha hydrogen containing carbonyl compound with secondary amine in presence of para-toluene sulfonic acid, and we know that the product will be obtained enamine. Okay, alpha hydrogen containing carbonyl compound react with secondary amine in presence of para-toluene sulfonic acid to form enamine. We know that, okay. But in the case of unsymmetrically ketone the formation of enamine is regioselective. Okay. In case of unsymmetrically ketone, formation of enamine is regioselectivity, means the unsymmetrically ketone form a mixture of enamine in unequal ratio. Okay. अनसिमेट्रिकली कीटोन का अगर हमने यूज़ किए फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इनामाइन में, तो इनामाइन का जो है मिक्सचर फॉर्म होगा और वो अनइक्वल रेशियो में फॉर्म होगा. ठीक है. लेट अस सी हियर. Here I am taken this unsymmetrically ketone. Okay, this is unsymmetrically ketone. Why this is unsymmetrically? Because of this is our carbonyl group and it have a alpha carbon, it also have alpha carbon. This alpha carbon have only 2 hydrogen atom, but this alpha carbon have 1 hydrogen and 1 methyl group. So the alpha position of carbonyl carbon have a different bulky group. So this is unsymmetrically ketone. Okay. Okay. So the unsymmetrically ketone treated with secondary amine. So here I am taken cyclic amine, piperidine, in presence of para-toluene sulfonic acid. So here I am taken para-toluene sulfonic acid. Okay, this is the structure of para-toluene sulfonic acid and gives a mixture of enamine in unequal ratio. So here 2 enamine will be obtained in an unequal ratio. Let us see here. The first enamine will be obtained like that, and the another enamine will be obtained like that. Okay, this is the mixture of enamine. Okay, let us see here. When unsymmetrically ketone, this is unsymmetrically ketone, is treated with secondary amine in presence of para-toluene sulfonic acid, use a mixture of enamine in an unequal ratio. So this product will be obtained near about 85% and this product will be obtained near about 15%. So this is the unequal ratio of enamine. Okay. So the one question will be arise in your mind, why this product is major and why this product is minor. Okay, the 85% product is major product and this product is minor product. So the question will be arise in your mind, why this is major and why this is minor. Let us see here. If we compare both the structure of enamine, these are the constitutional or structural isomer of each other. Okay, but in case of major enamine, this enamine is free from steric interference. Now look here. Here the lone pair of nitrogen and the pi bond is conjugated with each other. Okay, and is easily resonance with each other because of here steric interference are does not involve. Okay, due to which the lone pair of nitrogen and this pi bond is easily delocalized with each other. So the product or so the enamine was prepared from the less substituted site. So this is the less substituted sites of carbonyl compound. Okay, so the enamine which form from less substituted sites of the carbonyl compound is major, and the enamine which is formed from the more substituted sites of the carbonyl compound are minor. Okay, why this is minor? Let us see here. Here the lone pair of nitrogen and pi bond are conjugated with each other, but here one methyl group will be present and here hydrogen will be present. So this methyl group or hydrogen develop the steric hindrance, due to which the lone pair of nitrogen and this pi bond does not undergoes easily resonance or conjugation. So the product which is obtained from the more substituted sites of the carbonyl compound is minor. Okay, this is the reason behind why this product is major and why this product is minor. Simply the reason is steric hindrance. The understanding, I have taken another example. Let us see here. Here I am taken this type of unsymmetrically carbonyl compound. It react with secondary amine. Here I am taken morpholine as a secondary amine. In presence of para-toluene sulfonic acid, to give a mixture of enamine in unequal ratio. So here the first mixture or first isomer will be obtained like that. And the another isomer will be obtained like that. Okay, these are the major product and these are the minor product. But the question will be arise in your mind, why this is major and why this is minor. Now look here, the orientation of this double bond are generated here at less substituted sites. So this site is less substituted as compared to these sites. Okay, so the product will be obtained is major, and the orientation of this double bond is here as a major site. So the product will be obtained as a minor. Okay, we know that when unsymmetrically ketone is react with secondary amine, the formation of enamine is radioselective, means the enamine generated as a mixture of unequal ratio. Okay, so here enamine form as a mixture of unequal ratio, one product is major and one product is minor. Okay, so this is the another example of radioselectivity of enamine. Now the third example is now look here, I am taken aliphatic carbonyl compound. Okay, this is an unsymmetrically carbonyl compound. Okay, it react with secondary amine. So here I am taken secondary amine. Okay, in presence of para-toluene sulfonic acid. So the product will be generate mixture of enamine in unequal ratio. Okay, so the first product will be formed like that, and the second product will be formed like that. Okay, so this product is major and this product is minor. Why this product is major and why this product is minor? Because of the double bond orientation is here generate from the less substituted sites of carbonyl compound. Okay, so here steric hindrance does not involve, but here the double bond orientation will be generated from the more substitute sites of the carbonyl compound. So here steric hindrance involved, hence this product is major and this product is minor. Okay, simply the enamine formed from the less substitute site is major and the enamine formed from the more substitute site is minor. So this is all about the radioselectivity of enamine. I hope you will be understand better. If you have any problem regarded to this topic, you can ask me personally. Okay.